Hey guys, welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing good. A new case has come down from OnePlus. So let's unbox this. I paid for this somewhere around 790 rupees. For a case, spending so much is really not worth, I felt. But people were saying that the OnePlus cases are really excellent and they are really very good. A very good protection also for the phones. So after hearing that, of course, anyone will look out for safety itself. That too, like a person like me, an irresponsible person like me, I can say, after losing a new phone itself, again purchasing a new phone. Of course, this time I have to be very careful. The packing is really awesome. Just look at this. A build. The case is here. Even the bumper is blue. Cost of this is 790 rupees and this is made in China. So the weight of this case is 37 grams and price is a bit expensive, I felt, but I hope whatever I have paid, it might be like worth. After opening this only I can get to know. They had mentioned that this is not a plastic and all. So I was pretty impressed about that. So this is something like a plant-based, they had told in the application when I placed an order. So let me show you that also. Even in this I have got red cable club card. So let me stick this and let me come to the case. There is a small power symbol here, something like this, a down arrow mark and a up arrow mark. Yeah, company cases will be like very good. It's very flexible. Just look at this. Even the color is also good. It's mixed color. Slightly white with orange is being mixed on this, and the OnePlus logo is being mentioned on the back bumper case. So let me put this and check out how does this looks. Wow, awesome. Even more thick. This was only thin. Why did I place the order for this one? I'm feeling it. Okay, anyhow, let me use this for some days. But the quality of this back bumper is really great. And speaker, charging slot and headphone slot, everything is like perfect. Even the camera and even flash, even this stuff is like great. The color is very light, but when I'm touching this back bumper, it is really very soft, and slightly here and there that small dot feel, I'm able to feel it. And leaving that, yes, it's big thick compared to this box case. Leaving that, everything is super cool. Color, I have to be a bit careful because it is very light color. It will become dirty very soon, so I have to be very careful when I'm using this cover. But I bought this case for phone safety. I hope this time at least my phone will be like safe and secure. Guys, heart attack last time. 17,000 rupees I lost in that accident, and I don't know how much more I need to spend on my vehicle after having insurance also. I hope the vehicle comes soon. The packing is really very premium. Of course, if you're paying 800 rupees, like 799 rupees, they have to give premium itself. Leaving that, case is good. 360 degree, it's protective except screen. If this thing is also closed, then even more secured I feel, but don't need to use the phone at all. Completely secured at house. Guys, as I told you in like not previous vlog, before 2 or 3 vlogs, that how this accident happened. Guys, there was no mistake from my side. I was going in a proper main road itself, and all the barricades were applied on the road. As you people know that I had an accident in lockdown time. You people might have a question that why did this guy go in lockdown time? So for that also I'll give you a reason why I went out, but I have all the proof, I have all the documents and all if police caught me also. So I had a particular genuine reason. So I had a checking also with police stuff, and then only I came out of all these things. So the barricade was installed in a place called Hebbal police station. So I passed that police station and I came. It was like hardly 500 meters to 1 kilometer, I feel 500 to 700 meters. So one guy, auto guy, was coming in the main road in one way. Immediately he saw police barricades and he took a U-turn. I was somewhere in speed of 30 to 40. I just went and banned that auto. The vehicle front portion was completely gone and the phone was in my left side pocket. The phone got bent and I had a very bad bleeding from upper lip. It was completely torn, and this finger, left hand finger, I had a very bad hit. The tissue was slightly damaged, so the bleeding was very more, and for 2 to 3 days this entire part from almost ears down to shoulders, deltoid, I had severe pain. To recover this, it took almost like 3 to 4 days. So after that the pain went. Now I'm concentrating more on office work, and this bike has to get ready somehow and it has to come home as soon as possible. So today, so the day is somewhere 23rd, so 23rd of June. So vehicle inspection is done. I thought they might do an online inspection, but they did physical inspection itself. They came, they saw the vehicle, they took all the photos, everything is done. So now the next step is showroom people has to give some vehicle estimation cost, that how much will be charged for this damages and what and all has been damaged. After that I need to give some more documents like what and all xerox I did that day, smart card, passbook xerox, front page of passbook, and PAN card xerox, Aadhaar card, and one cancellation check. I have to pay the entire money to the company, then the insurance will be claimed, and whatever the amount will be there, that would come to my account. So I'll be making a vlog on that also. As of now, the vehicle is like in a very bad situation. As I made a vlog, you people would have seen the pics and all. I was completely disappointed with that. Happened is happened. I can't change that. But I request you guys to be very careful on the road. If there is no mistake from our side, again we need to spend so much of money. It's really very disappointed in this situation, especially this COVID situation. From time grace, because I don't believe some things, because of time grace I didn't have any kind of fracture nor some big stuff. If I had something big, then I needed to spend even more. Something happened very small and I got escaped. All the parts has been ordered, so that might take another like 3 or 4 days to come to showroom. From warehouse to showroom. If in warehouse the parts are not available, then it might take like more 2 weeks. So I never left my vehicle in any service center, guys. This is the first time that I have left my bike for such a long period of time. Anyhow guys, catch you up in the next vlog. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment, and even do subscribe. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.